Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the percentage. Basically, you have the percentage displayed, and this is the battery icon. And if you want to enable the power saving mode on this watch, you need to tap on the battery icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled. You will see the message battery saver mode enabled. The screen will get a lot dimmer because it will reduce the screen brightness, and the icon on the top of the watch face will appear, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, find the battery percentage icon, this one, and tap on it, and the mode will be disabled. You will see the message disabled, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, and also the screen should turn a lot brighter, which makes sense because it won't be dimming the screen anymore. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.